Can you tell? The weather conditions of a few places in India are as follows on 10th June. Use the table to answer the questions. Here is the first question. In which place will the clothes on a clothes line dry quickly? Why? In Bhopal, the clothes on the clothes line will dry quickly due to the hot sun. The water in the wet clothes get converted into vapor quickly. In which place will they dry slowly? Why? Clothes will take longer time to dry in Missouri because of the medium heat and cold air. Will the atmospheric conditions at these places always remain the same or will they change? The atmospheric conditions of these places will change from time to time. Explanation. The weather conditions at each of the places given above are different on 10th June. Kochi has cloudy weather. It means there is little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence, it will take a long time for clothes to dry. You may have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. Missouri is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives less solar heat. The air there is cool too. Due to its location on a mountain, clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. Factors like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. However, these conditions keep on changing. Students, here are some weather conditions. Which of the following statements are applicable to the conditions that you have experienced today or yesterday at the place where you live? First is, it was cold in the morning. Second, in the afternoon, it became sultry. Third is, it rained suddenly in the afternoon. Fourth is, cool breeze was blowing at dawn. Fifth is, clouds gathered in the evening. Sixth is, the night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. Students, you might be heard from your parents when they talk with their friends, relatives about weather conditions. Like, here is raining. Is it raining there? It's very hot in the afternoon here. Or, it's very cold in the morning today. These atmospheric conditions are short lived. They are not permanent throughout the day. In the morning, we feel cold. In the afternoon, we feel hot. And in the evening or at night, there is cold. This is what we call weather.